Meet professional snowboarder Mike Basich. When he's not riding, he's dreaming up incredible adventure vehicles in his shop. For his latest creation, he's teamed up with Barrel Brewing to build the BeerCat, a beer pub on a snowcat. Follow along as he documents the build and brings the BeerCat to life.
Rainy day, but it's not gonna let us stop us. It can't stop us actually, because it's going to rain for 2 weeks and this thing's due in 2 weeks. We have a beautiful cloudy day, no rain, which is a huge plus today. We got a good 16 hours today to work. Now down to fine-tuning the artistic part of it. We're gonna sketch our mountains so we can get the siding cut to the shape of the mountains. We're gonna make it look like Mount Bachelor and Three Sisters. So we sketched our mountains and we're gonna sand off the paint. The aluminum will be the snow look. And we'll test it over here. This is our hiding spot, so here we go. I think that's our design. Check that out. What do you think? The logo's gonna go on top. It's Friday night now, and we only have a week left to finish the cat. Today we're picking out the slabs. We're gonna dig into these and make a bar top. We cut this down actually right over here, the beetle kill. So this is the homemade mill, which I built about 20 years ago. And it's a bandsaw style. We're getting the backhoe fired up, ready to move this puppy. Look at these colors. Oh, gorgeous. Log 3. Got a nice supply to pick and choose from. We got our first one cut out. It is beautiful. Look at that. Oh. It is on crunch time now. Getting down to the wire. I was hoping to get the bar in at 10 o'clock a.m. and it's actually almost 10 p.m. and we're putting the bar in. A little bit panicked, I gotta be honest. We only have one more day left to get this thing done before the launch party. Hope we can pull it off.